this video we take a look at the stocking stitch. Stay with me and I'll show you how. I've cast on 10 stitches and we're going to work across our row with some knit stitches. To knit, we come in behind the stitch and through the loop from front to back. Wrap our yarn around the needle, pull it through and pull that loop off the needle. Continue along the row making knit stitches. Now our first row is complete, and this is the front side of our work. Now we turn to our second row, and this will be the back side of our work. In knitting, every odd row is the front side of our work, and every even row is the back side of our work. To work on the back side, we want to make a row of purl stitches. We bring our yarn to the front of our work, and to purl, we come in through the stitch at the front. We wrap our yarn, pull it through and pull off that first loop. Continue along the row making purl stitches. Now with our second row done, we turn back around to the front side of our work and we make a row of knit stitches. And now we turn to the back of our work and we make a row of purl stitches. And we carry on knitting every odd row and purl every even row. Keep going until you reach your desired length. Now we can see our pattern. This is how it looks from the front, where we did our knit stitches on the odd rows, and from the back, where we purl stitched on the even rows. On the back we see these little ridges, and on the front we see these little V's. And that's how to do the stocking stitch.